Ever wonder why shedding those extra pounds can sometimes seem like an insurmountable challenge? The world of weight loss is complex and multifaceted, and today we're taking a deep dive into one particular aspect of it: weight loss medications. To begin, it's crucial to understand that weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all journey. Just as each person is unique, so too are the strategies and tools that work best for them. In the realm of weight loss medications, this holds especially true. Consider, for instance, Orlistat and Phentermine. These are two of the most commonly prescribed weight loss drugs, yet they function in vastly different ways. Orlistat, for example, works by blocking your body from absorbing about a third of the fat you eat. By contrast, Phentermine acts as an appetite suppressant, reducing your desire to eat by affecting certain neurotransmitters in your brain. Then, we have Lugglutide and Naltrexone bupropion. Lugglutide, originally developed to treat type 2 diabetes, makes you feel fuller sooner, so you eat less and lose weight. On the other hand, Naltrexone bupropion is a combination of two drugs that work together to reduce your appetite and increase your body's energy use. The key points to remember about these medications are: Orlistat blocks fat absorption, making it an effective tool for those struggling with high-fat diets. However, it can cause gastrointestinal side effects if not properly managed. Phentermine suppresses appetite and is generally well tolerated, but it's not recommended for long-term use due to potential side effects, including increased heart rate and blood pressure. Lugglutide helps you feel fuller faster, aiding in portion control. It's generally safe but can cause nausea and other gastrointestinal symptoms. Lastly, Naltrexone bupropion reduces appetite and increases energy expenditure, but it's not suitable for everyone, particularly those with high blood pressure or a history of seizures. In conclusion, it's important to remember that while weight loss medications can be effective tools, they're not magic bullets. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight involves a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and a positive mindset. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. And remember, the journey to health is not a sprint, but a marathon.